Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythms bold.
Did you know that under the Igbo traditional society, that Igba Odu was a profound traditional initiation that celebrated womanhood, achievements, and leadership? And this practice was common with the Onitsha people. That was the epic center. And then the Nri kingdom, the Nri clan, the Agoku Nri, Enuguku, Agidi Makanu.
It's the Agua